Hey friends, here is a look at the Silky F180 folding saw. This is kind of their competitor with the Baco Laplander. I have another video where I'm showing the comparisons between those. Blade length is right at 7.5, 7 3/4 inches, and the handle is about 9 inches. So, which again, very similar dimensions to the Baco. It's got a nice rubber overmold. It's very comfortable in hand. These finger grooves are nice and rounded. There's no sharp edges, not even on the inside of the plastic. That's all smooth, so it fits very nicely in the hand. This is a little grippier texture than what's on the Baco or even the Gomboy. This has those dimples there. Folding mechanisms, just this plastic lever. You can do the same thing here. You can do that up angle, but locks in pretty securely, not a whole lot of wiggle. You can withdraw the blade without releasing the lock mechanism. Sorry. It does have a captured pivot, so you can tighten it or loosen it or replace the blade. It is a pull stroke saw, Japanese pull stroke. So cuts very aggressively. In the demo, I'll just do another one real quick here. Sorry, I'm trying not to hit the camera. So, yeah, I think it does a great job. Again, that's a little tricky doing that, holding this, trying not to hit the camera, but you get the idea. The teeth on this thing are very aggressive. It's great for rough cuts, and I love this thing. It's a great pack saw.